have an unboxing of some awesome stuff, a small business haul, if you will. We have some Paddy Waxx, some cover minders, some Not Your Mama's Mud, and even some face masks. So let's get started. But before we do, go ahead and just gently tap that subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. So let's get into it. What should we open first? Let's open this one. Which is this one from? Okay, I know where this one's from. So here we have my trusty scissors, or skizzers, as my friend likes to call them, skizzers. Let's see. This was ordered a very long time ago. I got them sent to my friend Abigail Marie's house, and she sent them to me. She was my import-exporter. So we got some Not Your Mama's Mud from Whimsical Daisy on Etsy. So here is Cotton Candy Craze. And this is diamond painting mud. I've never used it before. I have had Whimsical Daisy's Not Your Mama's Mud gifted to me before, but I've never tried it yet. So this one is Cocoa Nutty. Cocoa Nutty? It doesn't really smell like anything. This one, the cotton candy one, smells more. But these are pretty good. So apparently one of these containers can last you a very long time, so I'm very excited to try it. They labeled the flavor, or sorry, not the flavor, because you don't want to eat these. They labeled the scent at the bottom, and that's Not Your Mama's Mud. I've heard really great things about it. It's a favorite of many diamond painters, so that is very exciting. And now we'll open up my Paddy Waxx. This is my first ever order of Paddy Waxx. I've had Paddy Waxx gifted to me. If you remember, a while ago I did a giant haul of Paddy Waxx from my friend Naomi the Crafty Savage, whose channel I will link below. But this was my own order from Paddy Waxx. And again, I had this sent to Abigail's house, whose channel I will link below. We have some candy, a fruit gem, sun-kissed. And we have, some stickers, a Little Mermaid one, a snowflake, and Surfin' at Waikiki. Okay, I can already smell this package. Hello, diamond painting friend, and welcome to Paddy Waxx. Hi, Beverly. Thank you for your order. Enjoy your new waxes, Ben. They spelled my name wrong. It should be Ley, but that's okay. I guess I'll let it slide. So what did I get? I don't even remember. Okay, so I got a bunch of Paddy Waxx. Let's see. This is super sticky. Their super sticky wax does not have a scent. But look, it comes in a cute little mermaid container. I can open it. Scissors. Get my skizzers out. And it comes with is this a stingray? What are these called? I think they're called stingrays. Let me know in the comments down below. Stingray? Something like that. And then you just open it like this. And here's super sticky wax. So there's no color to it. And it doesn't have a scent. But it works really well. Especially in your multi-placer. I know that you're not supposed to. Well, you're not supposed to. They don't recommend using it in your multi-placer. But I do. We have some samples of Paddy Waxx. So we have orange sherbet. Let's smell this. Orange sherbet smells really good, and it's a little, is it a cat? It's a frog. It's a frog, and then we have a little monkey of blackened amethyst. What's that? What does that smell like? Okay, that smells pretty good. Let's take you down a little bit, and then we have Queen of the Nile. I don't know what scent this is. I don't know what this is. It smells good though. It does smell good. So you get a little square or a rectangle of it. If you've never ordered Paddy Waxx, there's a rectangle. And the reason why I ordered this to Abigail Marie's house is because shipping to Canada was $18 for the wax. So I was like, I'll just order stuff to her house and then she can send it to me in a big box. And this is Aloha. Is this the scent Aloha? Is it supposed to smell like Hawaii? I don't know. Let's take it out and I'll show you what the Paddy Waxx looks like. I know a lot of Canadians haven't tried Paddy Waxx or haven't ordered it, but here is a view of it. It has some, oh, it has some pineapples in it. I don't know if you can see that properly. There's some pineapples and some glitter. I don't know what this smells like. It kind of smells like the beach. I don't know, but it does smell good. Then we have 2 Canadian companies left to unbox. So let's take a look and see what we got from them. We'll move this stuff aside. I will eat that sun-kissed thing, but Clayton might steal it from me. We'll just hide it from him. And we will open up my order from... this is from Crystal Trays, but let's open this up first. So this is from a Facebook ad, servicemaskssupply.ca. I ordered from them previously and I really like their masks, so I did another order. And they are from Alberta, Canada. In case you're wondering if you are Canadian, it's a nice Canadian mask company to support. So we have that, and then we have this. So this is where I ordered it from. I'll put the link in the description box below. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying this, but our winter Christmas patterns will be on sale on October 9th. My son and I want you to know blah, 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 blah. Donating portions of sales to mental illness programs and organizations across Canada. And there's their happy family. And this is just my invoice. Yep, so my invoice. Toss that out. So I got a bunch of masks. I got some plain ones. Last time they had some like really sassy masks, and I didn't get one this time, but I got a plum mask and a blue mask, a black mask, and then I got this one, which I'll show you. In case you are looking for a place to buy masks, I really recommend Service Mask Supply. I think they're really good quality. So here you can put in an air filter, and then it does come with a bendy, like metal bendy thing inside of here. So this part goes around your nose, and then it does have ear thingies. So that's just another option for you if you are looking for masks. I just thought I would open it and share with you guys. If you want to support a Canadian company, check them out. They're really cheap too. I think these masks, these were all $5, and they're really good quality, and they're not like, I don't know, they're just really easy to breathe in. So now this is my order from Crystal Trays. This is a Canadian company. If you remember, their trays are my favorites. I actually use this tray, and I was using this tray previously. Both of them are by Crystal Trays, and this one has some drills in it. But I really like Crystal Trays. I'll put a link to this shop down below as well, along with all the other shops I've unboxed. I ordered a bunch of cover minders that they make. So they make resin cover minders. They have wax. They have gem tack. They have trays. They have a bunch of stuff. So here we go. This, oops, I guess I didn't cut it into here. Oh, cute. Look at the envelope. She always has cute envelopes. Seriously. Okay, so this is just my invoice, I believe. Yep, we won't show that. Look how cute that is. I'm going to save this envelope to send someone else things in. Just a little thank you. Open it nicely so we can reuse this envelope. And then we have my cover minders. Oh, look how cute. Okay. I got this blue cat. I thought this was super cute. I love how these come packaged. So these can be used as cover minders or even needle binders, and they're handmade. They're resin. Look at this cat. He's so adorable. I love like the glitter specks, and then it has like horns. Is it a cat? Cats don't have horns like this. I'm guessing it's a cat. Let me know in the comments down below if it's something else. And then I got the pink version. I'll just open this up if I can. I thought this color was so nice. And again, hand-poured resin. So cute. And then on the back, it just comes with magnets. And then I got this one. This one I thought was super funny. And I was like, hey. Like, when I saw it, I was like, I need to order this one. And then I realized, oh, I need to order these ones too. So this was the first one that caught my eye, though. It says salty bitch and it's a salt shaker. I thought that was super cute. And again, hand poured resin. And it just has the magnet on the back. That's so adorable. Let me see how much these were. If you're curious to see how much they were from Crystal Trays, the cost was, finding my invoice. The resin cover minder, this salt shaker one was $6, and these two were $8 each, but I did have a coupon from Crystal Trays, I believe for like 10% off or something like that. So these are from Crystal at Crystal Trays. Thank you so much, Crystal. So this was my small business haul. Again, Crystal Trays and Service Mask Supply from Canada, and then Paddy Waxx and Not Your Mama's Mud from Whimsical Daisies from the US. What are your guys' thoughts? What's your favorite product in this haul? Let me know in the comments down below. And is this a stingray? I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, but I don't know. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you are new here and you like diamond painting accessories and you like this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I do post videos on an almost daily basis. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.